Yeah, baby. I've been waiting for this little puppy now with bated breath. Check this beautiful girl out. She's just arrived. I call her Bigfoot, and she's beautiful. As I was driving this car, a little song popped into my head and I started singing na 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 na. She's got the lift. Sorry about the bad singing, sorry. Apologies. Let me start this video again. This is a D5 premium model, the G Premium Edition, with a 3-inch lift, and it's all been done professionally and magnificently. And this is an 80,000 kilometer privately owned car that somebody's just treated with massive dollops of love. There's no wear and tear on it. It hasn't been off-road. It hasn't been in the snow or the bush. Not much bush in Japan, but plenty of snow. And there's no evidence that this has been in a salty environment. So it's very clean underneath. It's immaculate underneath. It's a non-smoker's car. It's a non-accident car. And she's beautiful. It's all been done right. So a lot of money's been spent to put these big BF Goodrich mud terrain tyres on. There's a few fine tolerances, but they're all correct. So there's no rubbing, there's no scraping, there's no funny noises. And this little puppy goes around corners beautifully. It's corners flat, so even though it's sitting high, all the suspension's been properly and professionally done. And it's only a 3-inch lift. It's not a crazy lift in Japan. We see some really crazy lifts which are illegal here, and because this is just a sensible lift, it's within our Aussie tolerances. So ideal for off-road. If you're going to go bush, this is perfect. Snow, Fraser Island, camping, this is a proper off-road vehicle. It's got a locking diff with switchable 4-wheel drive. The G Premium model, so it's got the premium sound, speakers everywhere, electric doors, electric tailgate, cruise control, leather steering wheel. You can see that it's all in beautiful condition. Bluetooth, side camera, front camera, reverse camera. It's got cameras everywhere. We press this little button here. 84,000 Ks only. It's got the factory movie screen in the back. All the hood linings are clear and clean. It's never been smoked in. It's got very clean odors. There's service stickers all over the car. There's one here, there's more under the bonnet. That little sign there means it's got the Rockford Fosgate premium sound, and it's magnificent. The sound system, it's a big dollar sound system. It's an 8-seater as well. That means this back section can be turned into a bed, and these back seats fold completely up and away. If you want to have a big wagon, you can run these forward and sleep on the floor, or you can turn the seats into a bed. So it's very versatile how you can use the space. And she just looks bad. She looks big, bad, and beautiful. What else can we tell you about this car? These are special seat covers. So these are actually a wash and wear seat cover. You can remove these. They're very expensive seat covers. We look at the suspension setup under here. It's all like new. No signs of off-road use or corrosion. The tyres are brand new. It's got the nice mud flaps. Cool little set of side steps to make it easy to get in and out, which, believe it or not, those side steps, you need them when you have a lift like this. Sorry about that singing before. Still got that song in my head. There's a little bash plate under here. It's all immaculate under the car. Driving lights in here. These back windows go up and down. brakes, mud flaps, tinted windows. It's got a little special protective plastic thing here once again. It's got a big subwoofer in here that's a factory option, part of the Rockford Fosgate stereo. Now these back seats are pretty cool design. You can slide them back and forth, so if you've got a tall person, you can fit very large people in the back simply by sliding those seats back. Otherwise, at the moment they're set up, you've got a very good size luggage space here. Jack and tools, spare tyre. So it's got extra speakers in the back here. I'll give you a peek under the bonnet. This is an 07 model. And if you work out what it will cost to buy a mint condition like this in a G Premium with 80,000 Ks, then add the cost of the lift kit, this car looks like a relative bargain. That's actually a body lift. Normally the engine is sitting up higher to this aperture here, so everything's been professionally done. Actually makes access to everything in here easier. There's more space to work with, but you can see there it's an immaculate space. Another service sticker, another service sticker, another service sticker. Do a final walk around. If you like the look of Bigfoot, call us. Our number is 02 9744 0539. We can send this little puppy anywhere in Australia to your doorstep. Call us for a quote on the price. This is a very popular service in the current times. You can just buy this this car over the phone and the internet. If you've got any concerns, get a pre-purchase inspection. I don't think it's necessary, but peace of mind, you might want to do that. Or you can just pack this little puppy and send it to Queensland, West Australia, Tassie, Melbourne. It's a unique car, and if this will turn up in your driveway, no one would be disappointed. I can't find a mark or a scratch on this Delica D5. I'd tell a lie, I just saw a little tiny nick here. We'll give this a brush touch tomorrow. Oh, it's dirt. There we go. No marks, no scratches. There we go. Thanks for watching this video. Signing off. Phil Lee from SunRIseCars and Edward Lees. Sorry about the singing. Thanks for watching. See ya.